out of dress, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hey y'all, it's y'all girl Kariibby, and I'm back with another video. So as you guys can see by the title, today is my road trip. We was going to leave yesterday, but we couldn't, so we got a rental car. So yeah, y'all already see my video when I packed my stuff. And y'all, my video I just posted, it was lagging. Oh my gosh, I don't know, probably because I don't have enough storage on my phone. I don't even know why it was doing that, but yeah, this one ain't gonna lag. Hopefully not. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I gotta do, I gotta, like, you know, do my little baby hairs, my little edges, and fix my hair real quick. And then I have put the green dress I showed you guys, I put it in the dryer. I forgot to do it yesterday and things like that. I put it in the dryer because it had wrinkles in it, so it's in the dryer for like a couple minutes. And then after I'm done doing my edges and zipping up my suitcase, and getting everything I need, things like that, I will show y'all. So then I'm also going to show you guys me putting my suitcase in the car. So yeah, y'all, I'll be right back with my edges done. And yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Don't mind the shoes I got. I just threw some shoes on. But yeah, this is my bag, y'all. Oh, my bag. Good. Okay, so y'all, this is the renter right here. But we're going to go to the trunk real quick. Let's see. How to do this? Hold on, y'all. Alright, so now I'm about to put my bag in. Okay, y'all, I just put my suitcase in there, and my mama has somebody else load of the car, whatever. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna think of something else. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to pack up a swimsuit. I got this bag, this gauge bag for my swimsuit. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to put in the bag is this water gun, my swimming shoes, my swimsuit right here, y'all. And then my friend Helena gave me these little dogs for a little bit. The girl bottle is right here. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys. My shoes. My glasses. Okay, y'all, that's all the stuff. That's the last thing I packed. Now I'm gonna put on my flip-flops. And yeah, I had to speed it up because we're going to leave. Make sure all the lights are off. So yeah, you guys, my mama's putting her stuff in the car, and I'm gonna show y'all me putting my bag in the car. So yeah, y'all, I'll be back, y'all. Put the bag in there. There we go. my little cousin wants to be in a video, so yeah. Look, y'all, say hi to my vlog.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Here's What's up? You do too much. Here's tea out of this arch.
Ooh, oh, hold on. Oh.
2,000 years later.
What's up, y'all? I am back, y'all. Don't mind my little, my baby here. I ain't do my ages, y'all. I've been having bad allergies. So, yeah. Y'all, today is the 4th of July, y'all. So, I am over my cousin's house. So, these kids over here popping fireworks, y'all. Y'all girl is scared. I've been scared of fireworks. Even to, start one all my life. Like, I'm scared. But, y'all, as y'all can see, it's not nighttime yet. So, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the kids you got, holding some fireworks. And then I'm going to show you guys a lot at nighttime. So, yeah, I will see y'all there. fireworks that my family pop. Y'all, I never will get out there and mess with a lighter and pop fireworks. Y'all, I never use lighter. I used a lighter one time just with my cousin. She did it with me. Y'all, I'm scared. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if y'all watching the end, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. So hopefully I will drop. It's 11:37 right now, so this video gonna end up being posted on the 5th, because I gotta do all the editing, and y'all gonna see this video on the 5th. So yeah, you guys, I love y'all so much. I'm gonna end the video right here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my trip and my 4th of July, my little 4th of July show for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.